Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a gamer, you know Steam is the go-to platform for all your favorite games. But with tech evolving fast, signing in might have a few new twists in 2025. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to get logged in smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest Steam app installed on your device. If you're on a computer, head over to the Steam website at steam.com. Once you're there, look for the big Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that. It's your gateway to all the action. Now, you'll see a login screen pop up. Type in your Steam username or the email address associated with your account. Double check for any typos to avoid delays. Next, enter your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so get those caps right. In 2025, Steam has ramped up security, so you might see a prompt for two-factor authentication. This could be a code sent to your email, a text message, or even a biometric scan like a fingerprint if you're using a compatible device. Just follow the on-screen instructions to verify it's really you. This extra step keeps your account safe from hackers. Trust me, it's worth it. Once you're authenticated, hit the Sign In button, and voila! You'll be directed to your Steam library, where all your games are waiting. If you run into any issues, like a forgotten password, there's a Forgot Password link that will guide you through resetting it. Pro tip: use a strong, unique password and enable two-factor auth right away to protect your account. And there you have it. You're all signed in and ready to game. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy gaming!